If you're a beginner with Facebook ads and you want to sell stuff online, you've come to the right place. Let's do it. What's good, everybody? My name is Spencer Twitchell, and for those of you who don't know me, I do a bunch of stuff related to e-commerce, marketing, and making money online. And I do all of that by using Facebook ads, and in this video we're going to talk about the nit and grit of what you need to know when you're first starting out. For me, Facebook ads are the most important thing when running my e-commerce businesses because it's the main social media platform I use to advertise. And if you want to start making money with e-commerce, you should definitely be using Facebook ads and incorporating it onto your store because you can make a lot more money that way. But real quick, before we start getting into the details of the things that I do in Facebook Ads Manager itself, I want to clarify that I am a dropshipper, which means that I mainly sell only one product. So if you're watching this video and you're a dropshipper or you have a business that only sells primarily one product, keep watching this video because this is for you. Now, on the other hand, if you're watching this video and you have, like, let's say a local business that sells home goods products or something like that, this video is not necessarily for you because with the way I do things with Facebook, I like to sell a lot of one product. So if you're going to be selling a bunch of different products with not that much inventory, this video is not for you. But assuming that you're doing what I'm doing and you're trying to make money with e-commerce by selling one product mainly, keep watching this video. And by the way, everything I'm about to talk about is my personal opinion and from what I've experienced by working with Facebook ads so far. But anyways, first things first, the fundamental rule of Facebook ads, in my opinion, is that it should be the product that sells itself, not the marketing. Other gurus or people out there will argue that you can make a product work by just having better ads, better video creatives, whatever it is, but I argue that that's not really the case. While having really good marketing is definitely going to help you out, ultimately it's the product itself that's going to determine whether the person's going to buy it or not. So that being said, if you want to sell a lot of one product, you need to make sure that's a really good product that people are going to buy. So again, you don't need to have the best marketing in the world, you just need to make sure that your ad is good enough so that it's not looking atrocious and people won't buy from you because of that. As long as you have something decent, it's going to work fine. Now for me, when I sell products online, I don't use videos that I create, I just hire someone else to do it for me. My buddy owns this website called Viral Ecom Ads. If you want to check that out, you can get ads for pretty cheap on there, and I mean, it works just fine. They make a really good ad, so you'll know that it's only the product that matters when you're testing it out. Alright guys, now let's talk about setting up the ads themselves and some of the most important crucial steps to having a successful campaign. Now regarding the actual structure of how you want to set up your campaigns, go check out this video I made about how to test a dropshipping product because it shows you exactly what I do in regards to setting up your ad sets and whatnot. But anyways, assuming you've seen that video, let's talk about some fundamental rules that are really important when doing Facebook ads. Alright, so the number one rule that you need to follow is to never kill a profitable ad set. I see so many times where people just kill profitable ad sets because the campaign as a whole isn't profitable. What you should be doing instead is just killing the other ad sets in the campaign and leaving the profitable one running. Because think about it, if an ad set's making you money, why would you kill it? Because, I mean, as long as it's making you money, it's good. Always leave a profitable ad set running until it's not profitable any longer because, I mean, you can just milk that ad set and make some extra cash. If an ad set's generating you sales, you shouldn't be killing it because, I mean, that's what you want, right? Now going off of that, rule number 2 is that you should never be killing too many ad sets at a time or creating too many ad sets at a time. The reason for this is that Facebook relies heavily on optimization over time. And if you do too many things inside of the ad account, such as create too many campaigns, kill too many ad sets, or whatever it may be, Facebook is not going to like that and it might affect the performance of the ads. My methodology is to just take it very slow with what you're doing. Don't kill too many ad sets at a time, don't create too many ad sets at a time, and just take it slow all the way. And honestly, taking it slow is the main thing that you should take away from this video because that is the main part of my strategy. I like to take things slow and make it consistently profitable over time. Personally, I don't know about you guys, but I don't really care about how much revenue I make. I care about how much money I keep at the end of the day. So that means if I'm a lot more slow with my ads and don't raise budgets super quickly, I'm going to have a lot higher of a ROAS, return on ad spend is what that means. But anyways, with a higher return on ad spend, I'm going to make a lot more profit at the end of the day. That's right, I play for the long run because I know that if I take everything slowly and I'm consistently profitable, I will make a lot of money long term. Other dropshipping gurus out there will tell you to scale super fast, raise budgets and whatnot, but I just don't agree with it at all because, I mean, they're going to have a lot of flashy revenue numbers to show, but they're not going to take home that much profit at the end of the day. I'm going to say it one more time because it's really important to hear. You need to be caring about profit, not about revenue. And while revenue may look very good, it really matters at the end of the day what you're keeping. In conclusion, the most important thing is to let Facebook do its thing by optimizing over time. Take things slowly and don't screw up your winter by doing something stupid. Take it slow, make some money. By the way, guys, if you didn't know, I'm offering some more mentorship spots. I'm taking on a few more students right now in the link below. Now, it's not for everybody, but if you're interested in getting some one-on-one guidance by building the store, finding your winning products, and scaling Facebook ads together, definitely check out the link below because it might be for you. I'm only looking for people who already kind of know what they're doing and really just want that extra little bit of guidance to start getting things rolling. If you think that's you, definitely check out the link below because I think we could work really well together. But anyways guys, that's all from me for today. Thank you very much for watching and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.